This simple storybook for kids made over $100,000 in passive income on Amazon. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can do the same thing, how you can use AI tools to create storybooks and upload them on Amazon and make money online. The only thing that I want to ask you guys in return is to press that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos on how to make money online. So yesterday I was having fun on Amazon and looking for different things to buy. Then for some reason I stumbled on storybooks for kids. And what actually blew my mind is how much money in passive income you can make from these ebooks or storybooks for kids. And actually it is really easy to create them. So for example, you can see this storybook, they have 5,391 ratings. And this is only probably 10% of the people, or even less than 10%, that left rating. So if you go and calculate, for example, 5,391 times $11, which is actually the price of this storybook, that is $59,300 in passive income. So in this video, I want to explain you guys how you can go and actually create these storybooks for kids, publish them on Amazon and get money with zero investment. So this is something really crazy, as I said, because you don't need any special skill. And for example, you can see this one has 7,256 ratings. Again, this is not all of the people that bought the ebook, but if we only calculate the people that left the rating times $5.95, you can see this one has made over $43,000. And again, this is only people that left the rating, probably less than 10% of the people that bought this ebook. You can see there are tons of different ones. And as I said, you don't need any investment to publish these storybooks, and also you don't need any investment to create them. You can actually use ChatGPT and AI tools to create the storybook for kids in just less than 20 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So you can go and create these storybooks, go on KDP on Amazon and self-publish these books. You can see right here, you can go and publish them in less than 5 minutes and appear on Kindle Stories worldwide in 72 hours. You can also earn 70% of royalties of the sale. So this means that you're not going to get all 100% of the profit. So for example, if you sell ebook for $10, you're going to get $7 and $3 is going to come to Amazon. So you're going to have this split, but Amazon is providing you with the customers because they already have millions of people coming to their website, and you're not going to really lose that much money for Amazon that is providing you this service. So I want to explain you guys how easy it is to create these storybooks. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go on ChatGPT. Now it is really easy to create your 100% free ChatGPT account. And if you are living under the rock and if you don't know what is ChatGPT, it is basically AI where you can ask any questions, give any tasks, and ChatGPT is going to provide you with answers or whatever you actually need. So just go on OpenAI, create your 100% free account, and once you log in, it is going to look like this. Now you can go and choose the dark mode or light mode. I actually like this light mode. Now what we need to do is we need to create title for storybook for kids. So we want to say to ChatGPT to create us a title for storybook for kids. And you want to press enter or click on this button right here, and it is going to take some time for ChatGPT to provide us with storybook title. So for example, The Adventures of Sparky and Friends. So this is a pretty decent storybook name, and you can go and say, for example, write me 5 more. and ChatGPT is going to create you different variations or different titles for your ebook. So for example, we want to choose the random one. We don't want to go with this first one. We want to make this a little bit complicated. So for example, we're going to go with this title, The Curious Case of Missing Treasure. So we want to copy this name of this ebook, and we want to now say create chapters page outline for, and put the name of storybook. And we want to click on enter. So what is going to happen now is ChatGPT is going to provide us with step-by-step chapters that we want to create our storybook. So this is going to be really useful for us because we're now going to use these chapters to actually create a storybook. So I'm going to show you guys how it is easy to do. So first thing that we want to do now is we want to go and copy the chapter 1. So we want to create a small story for this chapter 1, the mystery map. So we want to copy this name, and we want to say, for example, name of the chapter. I'm going to put, for example, the whole chapter 1, and I'm going to add write story. And what is going to happen now is ChatGPT is going to create us the chapter 1 story for our storybook. And this is really useful because now we can use this for our storybook. And as I said, it is really easy to do. We just want to let AI create everything for us that we actually need. Now, next thing, this is really important. What you want to do is you want to go now and read this text. You don't just want to blindly copy and paste. You want to go and read, find if this is a good story, and then if something is, for example, not understanding, or it is hard to read, or you feel like it is not the best option, you want to say ChatGPT to write another story. So this is really easy to do. Just make sure to tell ChatGPT to write it over and over and over again till you find the best one. So this is something that only thing that you need to work on is you need to read the story, find out if it's good. If it's not good, just make sure to find the one that is suiting your chapter. So I'm not going to read right now because I don't want to waste your guys' time. I'm going to just go and create now images for our storybook. So it is going to cost you probably thousands of dollars to pay some influencer or to pay someone else to create this content. But if you go on Midjourney, this is another AI tool, you probably heard about it. This is a really crazy AI tool where you can give prompts to this Midjourney AI tool and they're going to create images from your text. I'm going to show you guys this software in action because this is actually something really mind-blowing for me. So if you go and click on join the beta, you're going to see a page like this. So you need to download Discord, and once you download Discord, you're going to see a page that looks like this. Now everything is going to be done on Discord, and you can give prompts to Midjourney and they're going to create images for you. For example, you can see this guy is giving prompts to create mini dino, cute, baby, love, twins, flowers, and so on. So you can see what is the end result. This is really crazy because they provide you guys with high quality images, and you can go just and type in whatever is on your mind, and Midjourney is going to come with it. You can see a kitchen with long island and so on, beer, and you can see that Midjourney created this. So this is something really mind-blowing. I'm using Midjourney a lot because, as I said, you can create images from thin air just by giving the text. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create our storybook image. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to write / and I'm going to click on this imagine and prompt. So I need a prompt for my ebook. So I'm going to come back on ChatGPT and I'm going to paste, for example, on the trail of the treasure. So I'm going to copy this chapter and I'm going to paste it right here. So what is going to happen? It is going to take some time, of course, for Midjourney to generate us image. You can see it says wait to start. So it is going to take probably around 2 minutes or 1 minute to create our image. You can see it started creating for us. It is 0% right now. And after it is finished, I'm going to come back and show you guys the results of this image. So it actually took us a little bit less than 30 seconds for AI to generate this crazy image. Now, what you can do is you can go and choose different variations of these images if you don't, for example, like any from this free. So you can see this first one is something I like, this second one I actually don't like, this third one is really great, and I like this fourth one. So for example, if you want to choose which image you want to download now, you want to, for example, if you want first one, you want to click on this U1. So this Midjourney AI tool is going to give you guys the solo image only of this one. But if you want variations, you want to click on V1. So not ChatGPT, Midjourney is going to provide you with variations of this first image. So it really depends on what you actually need and what you actually want. So for example, I want the image of this third one and I'm going to click on U3 just to show you guys in action. So it is going to again take some time, probably around few seconds, to generate and upscale our third image. So once it is done, I'm going to again come back and show you guys the results. So it actually took us a little bit longer than 1 minute. I didn't expect that, but you can see the final product of our image. So what we can do now is we can just go right click and click on save image. And now we have downloaded the image on our desktop. Now, what is going to happen now is you want to go and create, for each chapter, you want to create 9 different images, and you get the point how to do it. It is really simple to do. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments down below, and I'm going to try to help you guys. So you want to go again, say imagine, put the name of the chapter 1 as prompt, and you want to see which image you actually like. So once it is done, I'm going to come back again and show you guys the results. And you can see the final result of our map for our chapter 1. So if you don't like, for example, any of these, you want to go and type in right here to get or to generate another 4 images. Now, if you want to, for example, variation of this fourth one, make sure to click on V4, but I actually like this fourth one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upscale or create the only single image of this fourth one. So I'm going to click on U4 right here. And again, it is going to take some time for Midjourney to generate our image, probably around, again, 1 minute or so. So once it is done, I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. Finally, you can see it took us around 1 minute or so, again, to generate this beautiful image. Now what you want to do is you want to right click, save again, and you want to repeat this over and over again till you create all the images for all 9 chapters. Now, once you're done with this, you want to use another free software called Canva. Now, this is another software that you can use to create different stuff, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create storybook. So I'm going to search for storybooks and I want to click on this storybook first one. Now they're going to give you guys different options, different templates, but we actually don't need any templates. The reason why is because we already have our images and we already have everything we need for our storybook. Now what you want to do is you want to go and click on this upload button right here. Now what you want to do is you want to go and click on this upload button right here and click on upload files. And you want to upload all of your 9 images to this tool. So our chapter 1 is this. I'm going to come back and see the mysteries map. So we want to go now and upload our first chapter right here. We want to fit the screen like this, and we want to add text. Now you can choose different headlines or sub-headlines right here. And we want to go now and paste our storybook. So I'm going to put this smaller text because we have a lot of text to upload to our tool. So I'm going to copy all this chapter 1 text and I'm going to paste it right here. So we want to go now and make sure to fit the screen, or you can see it is a little bit longer. So what you want to do is you want to go now and format this text so you can fit the screen. I'm not going to do that right now because again, I don't want to waste your guys' time. Just make sure to enter this text, or if it's too long, you want to go and ask ChatGPT to make smaller text. Now it can actually fit the screen, but again, I don't want to waste your guys' time and format all of this stuff right now. You can see that it is really easy to make it fit just like this. Make sure to do this, and make sure also to make the text bigger. So that is something really important. You can see that it can fit, just you want to remove these spaces between the text. So once you're done with that, you want to go and click on add page right here. You want to now go and upload your second image. You want to make it fit the screen just like this. And you want to repeat the process over and over again. Now, what is going to be our chapter 2? You can see the chapter 2. You want to tell ChatGPT to write the story for chapter 2. You want to come back on Canva, upload your story, and you can have this ebook or playbook in just few minutes. So this is how you can go and generate this So this is how you can generate storybooks over and over again, upload them back on KDP, on Amazon, and make passive income for yourself. This is really easy to do. Anyone can do it. The only thing that you need is time, and you need to work on lots of different storybooks and upload them to Amazon. So if you really like this method, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment